Okay, today we're going to learn to measure within 1 inch. We're going to make a giant reference sheet. We're going to start by drawing a 16-inch line from the edge of your ruler over to the number 16. Scoot your ruler down just a little bit and below. At every inch, make a mark below the line. So go all the way across, making these small marks all the way to the 16-inch mark. At the very first mark on your far left, we want to go down 4 inches. So draw a line down 4 inches. At the bottom of that line, make the numbers 0. Go over to your far right, go down 4 inches. And now we're going to count the spaces. We have one giant space. That represents 1 inch. So starting at 0, let's count 8 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On that 8th mark, go down 4 inches again, and let's count our spaces. 1, 2. So the first of 2 spaces is a half. Up here in the upper left-hand corner, we're going to make a reference point. Let's write the words mark. Let's go size of mark. Below that, let's put XL, L, M, S, just like t-shirt size, extra large, large, medium, small. These represent our extra large marks. Those are halves and inches. Okay, now let's go back to the 0 point. Count 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. On that 4th spot, let's go down 3 inches. Go to the halfway point. Count 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go down 3 inches. Let's count our spaces. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces now. The first of 4 spaces is 1/4. The second of 4 spaces reduces down to a half. The third of 4 spaces is 3/4. The fourth of 4 spaces reduces to 1. Okay, go back to our 0 point. Actually, let's go ahead and mark this. Larges equal quarters. It's just like counting money. So 25 cents as an example. Back to 0. Count 2 spaces. 1, 2. On that second mark, go down 2 inches. Go to the 4th, count 2 spaces. 1, 2. Go down 2 inches. Go to half, count 2 spaces. 1, 2. Go to 3/4, count 2 spaces. Go down 2 inches. Now let's count our spaces. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spaces. So the first of 8 spaces is 1/8. The second of 8 spaces reduces to 3/4. The third of 8 spaces is 3/8. The fourth of 8 spaces reduces to a half. 5/8. 6/8 reduces. 7/8. 8/8 reduces to 1. Okay, so our medium marks represent 8ths. Now, let's put a 1-inch mark on all the remaining spaces. So go down 1, go down 1, 1, 1, 1, on all the remaining spaces. Okay? If we counted these, there are 16 new spaces. So the first of 16 spaces is 1/16. 2/16 reduces to 1/8. 3/16. 4/16 reduces to 1/4. 5/16. You notice there's always an odd number on top. Okay. 7/16. 8 reduces. 9/16. 10 reduces. 11/16. 12 reduces, 13/16, 14 reduces, and 15/16, 16/16 reduces. So on our small marks, those equal 16ths.